And good day, everyone, and welcome to Copy Trading Guys. Learn Copy Trading Live. So, my name is Nenad, and I am a instructor, professional trader, and mentor on XM Live. So, I will be showing you today again, and we will take a look at what actually these accounts that you can connect to were actually or have been doing since I had my session last time. Basically, guys, look, you know that I was pretty transparent in explanation how you can connect to these portfolios here. But also, guys, there is another thing which is also very important, and that is how you can make the best out of it. Again, it's always up to you guys how big risk you want to use, how much money you would like to put in. And basically, here, guys, the strategy that I was looking was like the description says strategy with minimum low risk, strategy avec un minimum de risk. This is in French, and this means also strategy with minimum low risk. So, what does it mean, guys? If I to trade something, you know that I would pick myself uh, the accounts which have slightly higher drawdown. That is my opinion. Why? Because, guys, if you want to make money, you really need to risk. That is something that I know. And of course, if you are doing like this mostly manual trading, right, then you need to be ready for a higher drawdown. If you want to trade like, let's say, slightly higher profits, less drawdown, then you might start using algos that have actually coded martingale in it. But still, martingale method with averaging down or grid is something that works the best, in my opinion, for any expert advisor. But it needs to be implemented pretty good. So this strategy, guys, shows some pretty good gains. And we can see from this strategy that it's basically euro dollar strategy, right? It says future strategy, but what is uh, the actual information here? We can only see that we have mostly here euro dollar traded, and the strategy looks like pretty much based on expert advisor. This is what I see here, based on the lot sizes, based on the prices, based on volumes. This is, guys, expert advisor. So how this strategy been performing? Basically, look, it had some bigger drawdown here, then it actually averaged down, and then it came back into full performance mode. For the last here, guys, on these steps here, we didn't mention this last time, but you can always check the full history of an asset or a copy trading account. Here you can see, guys, to the left, you have daily performance, weekly performance, monthly performance, 3 month performance, and all time performance. So by looking here, guys, you can see that basically strategy is still working fine. In the last 3 months, it made 7.06%. In the last 30 days, it made 68.40%. Why is that so? Maybe it's because the ATR in euro dollar has started to increase, and we can see now that euro dollar is doing better than it was doing, let's say, a month ago. So how I know that? Because, guys, I'm also a trader and a full-time trader. And basically, I didn't trade euro dollar much in the last 5, 6 months. And today, for example, I already did a trade in euro dollar. So it means that volatility is getting higher, which is, in my official, beneficial for strategies that employ full martingale approach. Now, is this full martingale approach or not? I don't know. If you are wondering if this is full martingale or not, you need to contact, guys, you need to contact the responsible person. I would always ask one simple question. Now, listen, guys, how you can approach. You can contact, of course, the developer of the strategy or copy trading account and ask them to provide you with some, let's say, bigger description of the strategy. So it's a supervised algorithm, but I would always like to know myself is this full martingale or is this controlled martingale approach? Guys, I've been trading for 12 years. And since 2015, there hasn't been a single year that I haven't been overall in profit. Why? Because, guys, I have developed my own trading methodologies. And this trading methodology that I've been using lately, last 2, 3 years, and I don't plan to change it because it gives super good results, is based on controlled martingale approach. So here, guys, in this description, I would always put, is this full martingale? Is this controlled martingale? Because, guys, look, you need to know which kind of strategy you are dealing with. If this is a could have a higher drawdown, all right, but then yet again, it can give higher yields. So I would like to know, is this a full martingale? Because here, guys, we can see 73% of drawdown. All right. Look, my result was 1,200% gain with, I think, 60% drawdown. So here, I would say this has room for improvement. Uh, Other strategies obviously have been performing less than usual in the last month when I had my last session. Forex for Life 55.15%. Guys, this strategy I was also looking into and it was good. But when we click here, guys, we can see that basically it suffered in performance wise. Look, from 220%, it dropped down now a little bit lower. I would say, guys, slightly lower, but still the performance is good when you compare the last 30 days, considering that the markets were choppy. These kind of drawdowns were normal. So if I'm to choose between those two strategies, guys, look, the choice is obvious. I would go for this one. And also, guys, it looks like it's also based on euro dollar. And judging by these lot sizes, I would say maybe it looks like it uses a grid approach rather than martingale. I have a comment on YouTube. Kids study now. Hello. Hello. I hope that you're good. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to address me, ask me, whatever it's on your mind, I will, of course, answer. So, guys, again, the strategy. Welcome all traders who want their investment portfolios to grow steadily. Nice. But what is this based about? For me, guys, I'm telling you how I approach as a guy who does education on XM Live, live trading with fully transparent and open account on XM Live. My account is fully transparent and open. You can see statistics every single day, every single minute, with also profits and withdrawals. Who does it really? I mean, no one does it usually. So I would approach very transparently. I would ask this guy or her, whoever it is, can you give me a better description of this strategy? Because I don't know if I am willing to invest in something that at least I don't know what is this about. So tell me, is it only euro dollar trading? Is this strategy using a full martingale, control martingale, inverse pyramiding, grid approach, averaging down? What is the money management algorithm in the strategy? Because, guys, look, these strategies obviously look like automated strategies, like here, this one. So it says human. All right, if it's a human, then the strategy is traded by humans. So it's not like robot. So what is the money management in the strategy? All right, are we going with fixed lot sizes? Because, guys, I would like to see, let's say, a little bit bigger. Look, one trade is 0.02 lots, then the next trade is 0.10 lots. Why? So what is the point here? Because it says it's traded by human, not by algorithm, expert advisor, or machine. So how do you use your money management? I would ask that question. quickly. I just need this answer, because longer term, yes, it does provide very good results. But I would like to know, just for informational purposes, because I want to invest my money. What is money management strategy into this strategy, right? If you take a look at the risk score, all right, every strategy that has higher drawdown is considered to be a risky one. But honestly speaking, guys, uh, again, for me, it's something that I really don't pay attention to that much, because I would invest always myself in the risk score of 10. 9, 10 for me, it's fine. Because I also am a little bit aggressive, guys, when it comes to trading. Uh, I made 9,000 euros from 2,000 euro deposit in the last 5 months live. So I can be aggressive, not gambling, but entering with bigger lots and managing them by control martingale approach and grid based strategy. So I would like just to know, as a trader or a guy who knows about trading, what is the money management part of this strategy, because it looks attractive, guys. Look, maximum drawdown 45%. Look, I can go with 70, 80% if the strategy uses control martingale, grid approach, averaging down approach. It's fine that it has higher drawdown, because uh, you cannot simply manage the account on a standard way and expect big profits or very small drawdowns. If you want to have a bigger profit, guys, look, drawdown needs to be higher. It's in big majority of cases like that, unless it's some sort of high frequency trading strategy, which can be, forbidden by some brokers. And I know that, look, guys, arbitrage trading is not fair trading, and it's not something that I would recommend. So when you see that some strategy has like 3% gain and huge profits, it could be arbitrage, and brokers have the right to actually reject that kind of uh, payment or withdrawal, because it's considered to be cheating. I know, because one of my trading buddies 10 years ago used that approach and he couldn't withdraw. So, guys, here I don't see any high frequency trading. So you are free to invest with XM copy trading service. It's just about you and your approach, which kind of strategy and risk you want to use. All right. So this is something that is very important. So whatever you decide, guys, look, it's up to you what you will decide, right? For me, guys, this is everything in life is risk. I ride motorcycles. I've been riding motorcycles for many years. Every time I put myself on a motorcycle, I'm in a risk, guys. So by nature or naturally, I'm inclined to take bigger risks. But then again, I want this risk to be balanced. If I am to ride fast, I need to be safe. Same thing applies here. If you want to have a higher profit, then try to see drawdown which is balanced out. So from these strategies, now if I'm to choose which one I would be putting my money on, it would be, guys, definitely this one, because it has 46% drawdown, 55% in 1 month. Overall, guys, the strategy made 150% in 90 days. It's good. It means 10,000 euro deposit, you would have had 15,000 euro profit, which is good, guys. Very good. You can withdraw your profits, leave the rest of the deposit to actually make you money. This is a strategy that I use. So if you want to visit XM Live, feel free, guys. I do it every single day, live trading. I make withdrawals. You will see, guys, that I can double the account and also withdraw profits from. This is something that I do. So from this kind of approach, this is the strategy that I would pick for myself. I wouldn't myself be looking at this 30% gain, 73% drawdown, or I don't know, let's say this one, 18% return, 30% drawdown. Guys, no, I'm not interested in 18% drawdown, in 80% profits. I want profits and I want to risk. Do you want to risk? Do you want profits? Decide. If you want low risk, then you go with low risk score here, guys. This the circle number is actually low risk score. So sometimes you might have like 80% win, 21% drawdown. Look, for me, the logic is if you have the money to put in, you put the money where you are not dependent on. So you don't want to be dependent on the money you put into trading because this is the surplus of money that you put into trading. So the logic is this: if I have the surplus that I'm not dependent on, I want to make something out of it, I will go with big risk. Simple as that, guys. This is the logic that I put in. And every time I made some risks in my life, it was paid off. But again, I know that many of you still are not familiar with maybe this kind of risk. You can go then with a strategy that has a very small drawdown, but also, guys, smaller returns. Depending on how much money you want to invest, how you would feel comfortable. Is this the surplus of money or some credits? You know, it's definitely your choice. But always, listen, guys, always ask the creator of the strategy. If you are not sure and you know about trading, ask the creator of strategy which kind of money management it uses. Is this full martingale, controlled martingale, grid approach, averaging down? All these are, guys, mathematical strategies. And every strategy can use this kind of money management. Because look, one good trading method needs to have excellent, in my opinion, because mostly of those strategies are intraday strategies. So accuracy is important for intraday, not risk to reward, accuracy. For intraday trading, it's all about accuracy. Listen. The second thing is money management. The third thing is when it comes to manual trading, psychology. That is called the tripod of successful trading. It's based on three legs. If one leg falls, everything will fall apart. So you need to know, like, what is it? You don't need to know the exact strategy rules because they won't tell you, right? It's copy trading. But then again, just money management, guys. So this is the focus in today's lesson, guys, and explanation of what we are doing here. All right, and the thing is, guys, that uh, you need definitely to know just about money management. Everything else you don't need to know, right? Some people will tell you, right, what kind of money management they use. Some other people will say it's our business. If you like the strategy, invest. If you don't like, you can proceed further, right? So it's ultimately your choice. What I would like to see in the future, because guys, we will be visiting these portfolios every single week. Now, what I would like to see in the future, I would like to see some fully based gold strategy, guys. Right. So I want to see gold based strategies because honestly speaking, the best money that I've been making in the last year was from gold, not euro dollar, not GBP dollar, not, I don't know, equities, whatever. For me, guys, gold. Gold was the winner out of all winners. Few times, guys, when I was trading gold, I doubled my account literally in couple of days. So in the future, I would like to see fully based gold, and then we will talk, guys. Because trust me, 100% gold at this point is the best market to trade. Anyway, guys, let's wrap it up. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your questions. Go to the XM, guys, open the account, log into members area, click copy trading, choose your path, right? And also, guys, I expect to see you on XM Live. Okay, every single day, guys, XM Live. Come enjoy our sessions and live trading also. See you soon, guys, and bye for now.